I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you laugh at me.
Good morning, guys! It's Friday today. Ang batang makulit naglalaro na naman sa mga covered. Magbe-breakfast ako. Ang breakfast ko ay waffle. Hindi na ako magko-coffee kasi medyo matamis ang waffle. Water na lang. At saka gagawa ako ng banana loaf cake. I-separate ko yung paggawa niya. Madali lang naman yun. Nanoy Babs, my little boy's got a cold as well. Yeah. Keep us warm. Kaya dito lang kami sa bahay. Si Habi, ayun, naglilinis ng barn. Kasi puno ng abobot. Ang sarap pala nito. Ano siya? Belgian waffle. Waffle, whatever. Masarap siya.
How you doing? It's alright, miss.
You change him, sweet.
James?
Yeah.
Yan yun yung kalat. Oh. Tingnan niyo yung kalat. Oha. May pinakalumang sewing machine pa dyan. Mga abobot. Chainsaw. Kalat dito, tambak doon, ang aking mahiwagang walis. Ting ting. Tapos zero pa dito. Kaping kalat ba? Yung bath ni James hindi na kasya kasi sobrang haba ni James. Yan yung kalat na aayusin. Just mio amor. I spot in the rain now, sweetheart. Yeah. My electric fan. My savior when I was pregnant. Yan, sige, yung kalat. Maraming abobots. Tag 5 na lang yan. Okay, you're gonna feel down. Mommy's gonna grab you. Nice one. Drink water. Good boy. Oh dear. Oh dear. Bless me. Bless me, mommy. One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I did it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my fingers so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Finished. Baba can play now. Yeah? Come on up. Oh, well done. You eat it all. Mwah. Gonna grab your bib. You're gonna put your bib first, sweetie. Okay? Good boy. You can play now. Come on. This one, honey.
Oh, that was a light thing for the bathroom, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
But a bit broke.
Yan na guys, ready na yung lunch ni Mr. Tawagin na natin si Mr. At magla-lunch na siya. Typical English food, beans and toast. Daming kalat, daming kumugasan, tapon basura, o ha? Honey? Food is ready. Punta kami ng tip guys. Dalhin namin yung basura. Ayun, tara, sama tayo. Yung mag-amak ko andun na. Dalhin namin yung basura sa tip. Cardboards and metal, isn't it? I think after that one Navara car, how? 4x4 or what they call it, next to it. It's busy day, loads of people will be taking crop. Where's the gearbox? Hey, where is it? Wow, well done, clever boy.
Yeah.
Is it moving? Are we moving?
Huh? And the gears again? Can you change gear?
Change gear. Change gear, sweetheart.
Come on then. Where's the gears?
Where's the gears?
Yeah.
Peace.